Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. Register for Stellar Talent Search exam for class 7 to 12. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12. We have study centers at Margao, Vasco and Prudent.
One of the person claiming to be the tenant of one property said that these lines which are being laid down or laid up, there he had an objection saying that it is going over his property. He was claiming that it was going through his residential house, above his residential house, but that is not correct. Actually, he claims to be the tenant of this property and he claims that there is some farmhouse there. But the High Court has not entertained his petition. He has been asked to make a representation to the district magistrate if he has any grievance about it. District magistrate has passed an order under the Indian Telegraph Act, and which is permissible when any electric line is laid or put up. There is a power in the district magistrate to authorize entry into any property. So such an order was issued by the magistrate. He was objecting to it. Importantly, he had challenged the constitutional virus of the Electricity Act as well as the Telegraph Act. Now that the High Court has not entertained, the reason being earlier the courts have already upheld the virus of it. Therefore, the High Court did not entertain it. Now he has been made to appear before the district magistrate, and thereafter he will be heard by the district magistrate and order will be passed by them.